In order to simplify this rational expression, first we need to factor the numerator and factor the denominator. Get them both into the factored form. So when I look at the numerator, I don't have, in each of the terms, I don't have a variable in both terms, so I can't factor out a variable. And when I look at the number 2 and the number 3, there's not a greatest common factor other than the number 1. So 2x plus 3 is already factored. So now I can look at the denominator, and I can see that I've got a variable in both, so I know I can factor out a variable. And looking at my two numbers, 14 and 21, I can already tell that 7 will divide evenly into both, and that's going to be my greatest common factor as far as numbers. So I can go ahead and just rewrite the 2x plus 3 on the top, and on the bottom I figured out that the 7 can come out of the two numbers, and I've got an x and I've got an x squared, so I can take out an x. And over here I'm just going to do the quick calculation. I have 14x squared divided by 7x. 14 divided by 7 is 2. And x squared divided by x, just as a reminder, that's x squared divided by x, which just leaves me with an x. And then I've also got 21x divided by 7x, so 21 divided by 7 is 3, and my x's cancel out. So now over here on the right, I have got my numerator and then my factored form of the denominator. And then, like we always hope happens in these problems, I've got the same binomial on the top and the bottom. Those two can cancel out. And that just leaves me with a 7x on the bottom, but I don't have anything left on top. So with nothing left on top, I just put a 1 on top, and that's my answer.